Hi guys, so I am about to do my makeup right now. I'm trying to figure out if I should do like a reddish look or gold, but my best friend, she just did gold since I'm a queen, duh. So I'm gonna do like a gold dish lightly and trying to go a little extreme. I do want a red lipstick because I think I'm wearing all like white dress. I'm really not sure, but stay tuned, okay? I'll show you guys the finished look. Alright, deuces, bye. Hello world. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm all cute and stuff, you know. It's my birthday. We have people cooking for me. People.
I hired this gentleman.
I hired Claire right here. She's doing a good job. Claire, what you doing? What do you want to tell people what you're doing? But okay, yeah. So she's making some no cheese on mine. But no,
It's
okay.
your birthday. You can't eat cheese today.
No. I'm trying to keep that face looking all cute. But anyway, she's making some patty, has ground beef and cheese inside, and this is how she's making it. She's doing a good job. Okay. We have another chef that I hire. Right now, obviously, he's cleaning up after himself. Can you say hi to people?
What up? What up?
Okay, this is Chef JB. Okay, for
No
now.
English.
No English. He just came from Africa, so
Yeah.
well, there's an African country that speaks English. That sounds stupid. I'm sorry. He just came from Haiti, so il pas can parler anglais. This is what he's making for me. Obviously, he's making some. He's making some griot. He's making some griot.
My friend.
You know what I'm saying? For me, obviously.
My friend is filthy.
And then we have
JB, the
my
small
dad
one is
over
annoying.
here. Celebrate with me. Ooh. I want to show you guys the flower that I got and stuff. You guys want to see my birthday cake?
Any girls need chef, get at me. 36315.
I'm gonna have to edit that one.
Sadness.
Right? So these are the flowers that I got. These two are from my mom and my dad, and I got that one from Stefania. Thank you guys. Thank you, obviously. And I'm going to show you my sweet little sister. Hi Teresa, how you doing? You want to wish me happy birthday? What do you want to say to me?
That's it?
Okay. I'm the queen. What is it? What else do you want to say?
You look cute today.
Today. I look cute
And
every day.
yeah.
Good job. Claire did my nails. I'm a
I'm
queen.
waiting for mine to get done tomorrow. And hey, girl, these babies for nothing.
Jada, do you want to say happy birthday to me? Alright. So we have Jada here. Going to say happy birthday to me.
Oh, it's on camera. My hair.
My mom is right here saying happy birthday to me.
Hold on, let me put my hair up.
Thank you, Ma. I love you.
I love you too.
Aww. Hi, Jada. What do you want to tell?
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. You know, yesterday was her birthday. She turned 12. Oh my gosh. 12 plus 12 is what?
24.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. But yesterday was her birthday. I put a clip on like her how we celebrated, went to dinner and stuff like that. Happy birthday, Jada! So today, now it's mine. Okay. Okay. Alright then, bye.
Our favorite song. Copyright. Sorry, MJ. MJ? Michael Jackson. You know he do that thing? You know that thing? The head nod? Yeah. merrily. I'm rolling with. I'm rolling.
You have to come close this time. That's why this is our spot, you know.
You know what I'm saying? So who?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, this come
Oh, damn, you can't I'm waiting.
Yeah, because I got you.
Happy
Let me try some. Damn.
Oh my God.
Damn.
I swear there's
Let me see
finish.
this. That was some blow candles.
Hey.
Oh.
Jada, why did
I feel like I want to help you. Damn.
Yo, I don't want any of that.
I'm gonna watch this shit. Hold on. Hold on.
Over and over again.
Hold up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. When y'all blow it, just open it.
I didn't even know.
Amen. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
That's why I thought it'd be good to have ice cream.
Take my boyfriend. No, I blow. What's up? Hallelujah. Hey. Amen, man. Oh, sorry. Good looking.
Thank you, God.
Thank you, God. Hallelujah.
Thank you, God.
Just coupe le fond allemand, j'ai moi.
Thank you, God.
Wait.
I'm hungry.
Wait.
What my niggas is out?
Wait. Look at this mom. Look at
No, I told them,
Yes, thank you.